Welcome to the Blue Team series video on intrusion detection and prevention systems, or IDS and IPS. These are critical technologies for network defense, helping monitor traffic, detect malicious activity, and even automatically block attacks in real time. An intrusion detection system, or IDS, passively monitors network activity to identify suspicious behavior. Its primary role is detection and alerting. It observes traffic but does not block it. IDS can detect threats like malware communication, port scanning, exploitation attempts, policy violations, and suspicious network patterns. An intrusion prevention system, or IPS, performs the same detection functions as an IDS but with one critical difference. It actively blocks or prevents malicious traffic inline. It's important to note that IPS deployments require careful configuration, as blocking legitimate traffic can disrupt business operations. To understand the difference, think of IDS as a security camera that watches and alerts. The IPS acts like a security guard that watches and immediately stops suspicious behavior. Modern organizations require both visibility and detection from IDS, plus active defense from IPS. Signature-based detection identifies threats by comparing activity against known attack patterns and predefined rules. It is effective against known threats, common malware, and repeated attack techniques. However, it is limited against new malware, zero-day exploits, and unknown methods. Behavioral detection focuses on suspicious actions and abnormal patterns, making it powerful against advanced threats. It identifies behaviors like unusual PowerShell activity, unexpected data transfers, suspicious lateral movement, and abnormal login behavior, even when attackers change their specific malware. IDS and IPS provide end-to-end visibility across enterprise networks. This visibility allows defenders to detect attacks early, monitor attacker movement, and investigate incidents effectively by providing rich traffic context for forensic analysis and response. A major challenge in IDS/IPS operations is balancing detection accuracy with operational efficiency. Proper tuning is essential to prevent false positives and missed real attacks. Tuning involves adjusting rules and thresholds, incorporating threat intelligence, and reducing alert fatigue. Modern IDS/IPS systems have evolved beyond simple signature matching. Today's platforms leverage machine learning and AI for anomaly detection, offer cloud monitoring for hybrid environments, utilize threat intelligence feeds, and enable automated response through SOAR integration. As a recap, IDS provides passive monitoring and alerting, while IPS offers inline blocking and prevention. Use signature detection for known threats and behavioral detection for advanced abnormal patterns. Remember that visibility and continuous tuning are key to effective IDS/IPS operations. Next up is a video on web security.